So, nasa combined variation na tayo, guys. Dito naman is dalawa ang formula. Ay, nako. Ito yung unang formula dito sa if A varies directly as X and inversely as Y. Magkakaiba yan, guys. Magkaiba yung statement nila. Ito is statement nito. Itong equation, statement niya ito. Itong equation na to, statement niya ito. Mahaba, diba? So, if A varies directly as X and inversely as Y, yung formula niya is Z equals KX over Y, where K is equals to ZY over X. Next naman, itong pangalawa. If Z varies jointly as X and Y and inversely as T, Z equals KXY over T, where K is equals to 70 over XY. So, dito mo tayo sa equation and statement in equation. Nakakatulog na ako kaya nabubulol ako eh. Dito mo tayo sa number 1. A varies pag sinabing directly, guys, pag sinabi niya, magkaiba yan sila eh. Ito, directly, ito yung, ano niya. Ito, jointly. Pero pares lang sila dito. Pero yung jointly, dalawa yung ano niya. Dalawang variable. Okay. Pag directly nakita nyo, guys, ganito yung formula niya. Directly as X and inversely as Y. Ganyan. Ganito yung style. Formula. A varies directly as P and inversely as Q. A is equals to K, P over Q, where K is equals to AQ over P. Next, ito naman yung ito. Example niya. Ito, example nito. So, P varies jointly as X and Y and inversely as Z. So, P equals KXY over Z, where K equals to PZ over XY. Ito, guys, itong dalawa inilagay sa taas, itong XY naman ilagay sa baba. Kaya, yan. Diba? Okay, so, example number 1. Ilan ba yung example nito? Wait lang, tignan ko. Dalawa yung example nito. So, guys, ito yung example na varies directly as X and inversely as Y. Ito. Ito yung sa naman. Saan ba? Yung mahaba. Ay, mali. Nasa isang coupon ko lang kasi nilagay. Sorry, guys. Wait lang, ito muna. Mamaya na yun. Problem solving. Basahin ko muna. If Z varies directly as X and inversely as Y, and Z is equals to 150 when X is equals to 5 and Y is equals to 2 yan. 2 yan ha. Find Z when X equals to 6 and Y is equals to 10. So, ito yung formula na ating gagamitin, guys. X equals to KX over Y, where K is equals to ZY over X. Itong Z at saka Y pinagsama dito, at saka yung X binaba. So, ito yung formula. K, always K. Unahin. Pero, base yan. Bahala kayo dyan, guys. Explain ko lang. So, lagay nyo yung given. Substitute yung ito. Anong value ng Z? 150. Value ng Y? 2. Value ng X? 5. 150 times 2, 300. So, 300 divided by 5 equals 60. Next, yan yung value ng K natin. So, nilagay natin siya dyan. Nga pala, guys, isulat nyo yung formula nito dito. Yan. Ilagay nyo yung pangalawang value ng X and Y, which is 6 and 10. So, substitute based on formula. Substitute nyo yung value ng formula. Ano value ng K? 60. Value ng X? 6. Value ng Y? 10. 60 times 6 equals 360. 360 times 10, divided by 10 equals 36. Yan. naman. Madali lang. Pero, sakit sa ulo. Next is, ito yung, ng varies jointly, yung maraming number. Tingnan nyo ilan ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. E varies jointly as P and Q. And inversely as the square of R. So, may square ang R. Ito yung, natin guys. If E is equals to 18, when P is equals to 8, and Q is equals to 12, and R is equals to 4. Find E when P is equals to 9, Q is equals to 10, and R is equals to 3. Sakit ng kamay ko. Sakit ng kamay nung nangangalay na. Okay. E equals to KPQ R squared, where K equals to ER square PQ. Ito yung K na naman yung unahin natin. Given, sulat natin, which is, given natin is 18, 8, 12, and 4. Yan. Substitute. Ano value ng E? 18. 18. Yung value ng R, 4. Huwag kakalimutan ng square. Value ng P, 8. Value ng Q yan guys, Q. Yung value ng Q is 12. Unahin muna natin yung ito. Ito muna pala. 4 times 4, 16. Saka ito naman. 8 times 12, 96. So, 18 times 16 equals 288 over 96. Okay. 288 divide 96 equals to 3. Ito naman yung next na gagamitin natin. E equals KPQ R squared. KPQ. Anong value ng K? Value ng K natin is 3. Value na binigay na sa second something. Basta, nahihirapan ako. Mag, ng word. Grabe, nakakatulog na ako. P equals to 9, Q is equals to 10, R is equals to 3. Ay. So, anong value ng K? 3. Value ng P, 9, Q, 10. Dito na sa baba, yung R natin is 3. So, ito muna. 3 times, hindi pala. 9 times 10, 90. So, 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 90, 270, bring down 9. 270 times, 270 divide 9 equals 30. So, dyan lang. Guys, feel ko hindi nyo gets kasi sobrang bilis ko. Yun lang, pero, bye-bye. Good night. Currently, 11:49. Bye.